Hi everyone, our next problem is palindrome number in leetcode platform. As you can see that given a number x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. First let us see what is palindrome number. If you are having number as 121, if you reverse this number we will get 121 itself. If both this number given number and reverse number is same, then we should get output as true. Otherwise, let us consider another number 554 and reverse of this number is 4, 5, 5. Then we should get false as an our output. We generally use to figure out this. We will use like arithmetic operations like modulo functions and which is general approach. And in this class, I am showing just how to write it, how to write this code within one line. That also in written statement. You can see that some examples, example 1 which consisting of 121 and reverse of this number also 121. So we should get output as true. And another example is minus 121. Here you can read, here we got false as an our output. Why? Because minus also taken into consideration. So from left to right, it reads minus 121. From right to left, it becomes 121 minus. Therefore, it's not a palindrome. I think you got an idea right now. And this is another example, x equal to 10. And we got false as an output. Why? Because reverse of this number is 0, 1. Which is not same. So, to understand, to write our code, in one line we need to have some idea. This in this platform we will have a one method which is palindrome. Here we are giving some parameter, one parameter, that is our number, on what you want to know whether it's a palindrome or not. And in this case, here in this platform, along with the input, along with the parameter, they will give what is the type of that input. And this, in this case here you can see that boolean. This is our output format we should get. As you all know that to reverse a number we have range like this, which is of like this. We will use this one. And if you are not having much idea on this, I have explained this in above class. I will provide this link in comment box, check it out. Here first I will show whether it works on number or not. X of equal to minus 1. X is of data type int and this is range. As of you all know, it won't work with numbers, with integers. As you can see that we got an type error, that is int object is not subscriptable. So there is a need of changing x into string. As you know that to change any data type, one data type, as you know, to change one data type to another data type, here we will use this. Let us put it in a, to what data type you want to change. I want to change x into string, right? String of x. Then I'm subscripting a right now. As you can see that our output, this is input and this is what is output our code is producing, and this is output and this is expected output. As you can see that we got 121 as an our output, and here you can see that 121 minus and 0, 1. Up to now we did only to reverse a number, and now let us check whether that reverse number and our original number is same or not. A equal to. Then let's here itself so that as you can see that our output is true, false, false, which is same as expected, but only the difference why our test cases are not passed. Why? Because here you can see that F is in capital letters and here expected output F is as a small letters. It's not an issue. You can keep it in written type. Directly it consider F first letter as a small letter so that our so you can see that we got expected output and our output as a same, and let us submit this and let us see whether it got all test cases has passed or not. This is recently as admitted and I as you can see that our test cases all are passed, and as I said that we can write within one line, right? In written statement itself, let us convert the data type of x into string. Return to string of x equal to string of x and reverse of this x, and let us run. You can see that every test cases is passed, sample test cases and hidden test cases also passed. In this way we will solve this within one line, and the main reason why I said this is whenever there is a competitions are going on, at that situations it is very useful. If you are having any doubts, let me know so that I will make an video on that. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.